In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to eBay, step by step. Whether you're an online entrepreneur looking to broaden your e-commerce horizons or a novice wanting to explore new avenues, this guide will seamlessly walk you through the process of marrying these two platforms for optimal business results. Let's kick things off by creating an eBay seller account if you haven't already. Head over to eBay's site and once there, click on the Register option. Consider selecting a business account, which gives you not only more flexibility but also higher selling limits. Enter your business or store name along with the necessary contact and payment details, such as Payoneer or your preferred bank information. Don't forget to verify your email to complete the setup. Having a business account will serve you well, especially as your sales grow. Next, you'll need a Printify account. Visit Printify's website and sign up using your email and a secure password. This will grant you access to the Printify dashboard, a powerful tool where all the magic happens. From designing your products to managing orders and connecting your eBay store, this dashboard is an essential part of your online operations. After setting up your account, configure your Printify profile from within. Navigate to My Account and then Settings, followed by Store Settings. Here, you'll input your business's name and can also upload your logo. Make sure to set your default currency as well, whether it be USD or your local currency. Setting up your payment method is crucial. Choose between Payoneer, a credit or debit card, or PayPal to cover Printify's production costs. Now it's time to link your eBay store with Printify. Back in your Printify dashboard, go to Manage My Stores in the left menu and select Add New Store. From the available integration options, choose eBay. Be prepared for a pop-up window where you'll need to connect by logging into your eBay seller account and consenting to Printify's access. Once approved, your Printify and eBay accounts are officially connected, with your eBay store listed under Manage My Stores in Printify. Following the connection, it's crucial to configure your eBay integration settings. At this stage, setting a default shipping template is necessary since eBay mandates at least one shipping profile. Don't forget to establish a return policy, often defaulting to 30 days. Align your handling time with Printify's production timeline, typically 3 to 5 business days, to ensure smooth operations. With everything in place, you're ready to create and publish your first product. Start by clicking Catalog in the Printify dashboard, select a product like a t-shirt, mug, or tote bag, and unleash your creativity by designing it. Upload your high-resolution design file, adjust it to your liking, and preview the mockups. Save your product, select your connected eBay store, and input a compelling title, description, and pricing before publishing it to eBay. Once your listing is live, it's open for business. When an order is placed, Printify seamlessly syncs and passes it to their print provider, who takes care of printing and shipping directly to the customer. The tracking number then updates on eBay automatically, leaving you free to relax and profit. Finally, effective order and profit management is key. Check the Orders tab in Printify to follow the production and shipping process. You'll be able to see the status of each order, track shipments, and view payment details. Remember, you only pay Printify after you've received payment from the customer on eBay. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful in setting up your Printify eBay integration.